Good morning, everyone. Income tax. Introduction of income tax is already prepared. That next concept is basic concept of income tax. Basic concept of income tax mainly classified into 6 categories. One is a person, section 2, subsection 31, and another one concept is a company. A company, it means a firm, and individual of a firm. And next one, a firm. And next one, an association of a person. And next, fifth one is a local authority. And another one is a last concept is artificial and judicial person. Okay, next, first one, a person. Person, it means it is a pay a tax is called as a person. Deduction under section 2, subsection 31. And name of the person applicable into a dividing into a 2 categories. One is an individual and another one is a company. Mainly classified into a person 2 categories. First one is individual. Individual, it means is a natured person including a taxation paid by the government is called as an individual. Individual means a natural person. It means it is a common people. We can pay a tax and will be considered from an individual. For example, male, female, minor and major. There are all those applicable to a persons will be considered into a person section 2 subsection 31 and individual. And another one is a company. A company is a person with as per section 2 subsection 70 of Income Tax Act under law of countries in outside. Outside, it means it is the name of the person is a Indian or resident of India ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Will be regarding on the basis of resident of in India. An Indian company will be considered, and any body corporate in a corporate of the law of country outside in India will be considered from a company. And next one, an institutions and association of a body which is assessable was assessed as the company as assessment year for the assessment year, and this year for the assessment year 2020 and 21 for the assessment year will be discussed. The next concept from assessment year, assessing officer previous year will be considered into a next concept. And another one thing is, first one is a person and another one is a company, and next one an individual of a undivided family or Hindu undivided family, HUF. HUF will be considered from a firm or a company. HUF, it means it is a family that consisting of common people and their unmarried daughter. Unmarried daughter, it means it is consisting of below 18 years. Below 18 years will be considered from a Hindu undivided family. For example, Mr. X is a married person only from regarding with the 2 daughters A and B. A will be aged at 20 years. B will be aged at 16 years. B is qualified from a HUF. Less than 18 years will be considered from a Hindu undivided family. More than 18 years will be considered an individual. Will be recovered from an individual. And next one is concept is a firm. A firm, it means has a per income tax is a partnership of a firm. Partnership of a firm, it means it is the member of more than 2 members. Partnership firm, it means consisting of a firm will be regarding a board of directors through the members more than 2 persons will be applicable of the firm is considering a partnership firm. ಪಾಲುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಥವಾ 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪಾಲುದಾರರು ಸೇರಿ ಬಂಡವಾಳವನ್ನ ಹೂಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಬಂಡವಾಳವನ್ನ ಹೂಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಹಾರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಲುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಪಾಲುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, a company mainly two members or more than persons will be investing money or investing a capital. All those partners will be recovered from a firm is called as partnership firm ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. And another one is an association of a person ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ AOP, an association of a person, AOP, association of a person, association of a person, AOP. It is very important for a expound. AOP, association of a person. When two or more persons join together earn a income without forming a gramercy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, AOP it means when two or more persons join together earn a income. Association of a person it means when more than two persons will be applicable to the firm will earn a more income is qualified as a association of a person. And next one concept is local authority. Local authority it means it is a consisting of a municipality, grama panchayat, a commission and a district board, taluka board and taluka office. All those activities will consider from a local authority. For example, ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹೊಂಬಳಿಯ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾವೇಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ HDMC, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ BBMP ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ವೈಸ್ ಸಹಿತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೇ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ another one is a last point, artificial and judicial person. Artificial, which any of the above categories. First one is a chairman of a commerce, lawyers and Reliance company, Tata Birla, Maruti and Suzuki, Idea, Reliance, Vodafone, ಜಿಯೋ, ಈ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಡ್ಜಿಕಲ್. ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. Those Reliance is a company, is a artificial of a company that will be a consider. All those companies will be a considering to a artificial of a company. And another one is a concept assessing. Next one, assessing, ASSE, assessing. Assessing means a person who tax any other sum of money is payable under the income tax. Assessing it means a person by whom any other sum of money payable under the income tax is called as assessing. Assessing means assessee is a person or a creditor. We can pay a tax some money payable under the Income Tax Act 1961. 1966ರ ಕಾಯ್ದೆಯ ಅನ್ವಯವಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಆದಾಯ ತೆರಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸೆಸ್ಸಿ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ assessing. Next concept is assessing officer. Assessing officers. The terms of assessing officer under the income tax means the associated or commissioner and deputy commissioner or assistant director and deputy director of the income officer under section 2 subsection 7a. Under section 2 subsection 7a, these all those regarding with the assessing officer. Assessing officer it means under the income tax means assessable to the taxation from income tax. Okay, next one, these all those assessing officer, for example commissioner, deputy commissioner, assistant director, deputy director and assessing officer and income tax officer and tax authorities and auditors will be considering from a deduction under section 2 subsection 7a. And next one is, it is a very important from assessment year. Assessment year. Okay, assessment year. Assessment year, deduction under section 2 subsection A. Deduction under section 2 subsection A. Okay, assessment is the process of the determining the total income or gross total income. Gross total income, it means it is all those income heads, for example income from salary, house property, business or profession, capital gain and income from other sources. These all those heads including in a gross total income less deduction under section 80C to 80U is called as a total income. It is an assessment year. Assessment is the process of determining the total income of an assessee and determining the amount of a tax payable for the year is called as assessment year. Is we can pay a tax for the year will be considered from a assessment year. We can pay a tax payable is an assessment. Okay. For the assessment year, it means 2020 and 21 is the current assessment year. And current assessment year, it means it is a financial year or accounting year. Financial year it means it is an accounting period which started a period from 1st April to 31st March is called as a financial year. For every year will consider from 1st April to 31st March. Every year should be considered from the financial year, and these concepts also same including in the assessment year deduction under section 2 subsection 8 or 9 will be considered. Assessment it means 8. Assessment year it means it is a section 2 subsection 9 for the considering from a assessment year. Assessment year it means it is a considering means it is a period of a 12 months. Will considering from a 1st April to 31st of March on the following years. For example, for the assessment year will be considered from 2020 and 21 is the assessment year. And the next one considering is a previous year. Previous year. For the previous year 2019 and 20 is the previous year. 2019 and 20 is the previous year. Previous year is also same for the assessment year. It is a period from 12 months. It is started on 1st April 2019 to end of the year to 31st March 2020. It is the end of the period is considering from the previous year. At the current previous year is considered from 2019 and 20 will be a present previous year. All those items will be considered from a previous year. And next one, is the previous year, and 2018-19 preceding previous year, and 2017-18, 2 years preceding previous year, and next one 2016-17, 3 years preceding previous year, 2015-16, 4 year preceding previous year, and next one 2014-15, 5 years preceding previous years, and 2013-14, 6 years preceding previous year, and 2012-13, 7 years preceding previous year, and 2011-12, 8 years preceding previous year, and another one is 2010-11, 9 years preceding previous year, and last one 2009 and 10 year preceding previous year. All those previous year will be considered. For example, 2019-20 previous year, 2020-21 is an assessment year or current year or accounting year or financial year will be considered from a 2020-21. 2020-21 is a assessment year. 2019-20 previous year, 2018-19 preceding previous year, 17 and 18 2 years preceding previous year, 2016-17 3 years preceding previous years, 2015-16 4 years preceding previous years, and 14-15 5 years preceding previous years, and 13-14 6 years preceding previous years, and 12-13 7 years preceding previous years, 2011 and 12 8 preceding previous years, and 10-11 9 years preceding previous years, and 2009 and 10 years preceding previous years. All those 10 preceding previous years will be considering from an income tax act. Income tax act under the head of income from salary, house property, business or profession, capital gain, income from other sources. All those items will be considered from under the 10 years preceding previous years. Next, another head is income under section 2 subsection 24, casual income, agricultural income and non-agricultural income, and individual of a income 0 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 and above. We'll discussing in the next class. Okay, thank you.